डीके शिव कुमार है हमारे साथ, कांग्रेस पार्टी के कर्नाटका के अध्यक्ष हैं। और कल कांग्रेस पार्टी ने काफ़ी आरोप जो हैं वो पेगासस को लेकर के भारतीय जनता पार्टी के खिलाफ लगाए। उन्होंने कहा कि जो सरकार थी जेडीएस और कांग्रेस की राज्य में 2018, 19, 17 के दौरान, वो जो सरकार थी वो इसी स्पाईवेयर के जरिए स्पाइंग की गई और तब कांग्रेस और जेडीएस की सरकार वहां पर गिरी। डीके शिव कुमार से इसी पर बातचीत करेंगे। Sir, you've leveled, very serious allegations against the ruling dispensation yesterday in your press conference. Now, BJP is saying that what evidence does Congress party have to really suggest that the spying or the snooping was done to topple an elected government in the state of Karnataka? They are asking for evidence. What evidence does Congress party have to make such serious allegations?
See, what was the evidence of 2G scam? What was the evidence of school scam? Which they leveled against the Congress party and the UP government at that year. See, information comes from us, from the media, from various sources. It comes, you media people is an important tool in this democratic setup. When we get any information, we'll have to look at. We have made a note of it. We have just discussed the numbers which have been come out. All are not only the political angle, some social sector, businessmen, industrialists, judges, all type of section of people name has been come out one after other. So that is why our big demand is that you come clean, have an investigation. See, when there was a leveling of charges against the Karnataka CBI, this one on telephone tapping on Kumaraswamy government, immediately BJP, Yediyurappa ordered a CBI probe, and still the probe is going on. The same way, the probe is going on against Mr. Kumaraswamy. When it has been leveled, it came out in the media. So what proof you need? So better you just have to, when you get the information from others, you order for a proof. Now the same type of information has come out in the media. So we are demanding for a judicial probe which has to be done. Come out clean, see that you are not involved in it. What is wrong in having an investigation done?
Sir, in Karnataka, BJP leaders are saying there is a slander campaign that is being run by opposition to malign the image of the country and specifically image of the government.
I think BJP might be used on that issue. We are not. We don't want any such type of campaigning to be done. The fact has to be known to the people of this country.
And do you think a judicial probe, because here at center, Congress party is demanding for a judicial probe, and apart from that, we've also been hearing about a JPC on the floor of the house. That's what leaders are asking. In Karnataka, are you demanding something specifically? Because since you're saying a government has been toppled by using this spyware, any specific demands in the state of Karnataka to investigate there or?
No, we don't believe in Karnataka government investigate and any others investigate. We believe the judiciary system of this country. Still, judiciary system has protected India's big history. So we believe in them. So let they have the investigation done with under their head, under their being the probe being done under the judiciary leadership.
My last question, sir, since Rift is, stories that stories coming in from various states as far as Congress party's internal organization goes, from Punjab to Rajasthan, and now people are saying that there are rifts between you and Mr. Siddaramaiah there in the state of Karnataka. Is that so?
Why should I have a rift with anyone? What is the use? It is all cooked up stories. I don't have rift with anyone except on the policies of the BJP or any other political party. I don't have any differences with anyone.
Will Congress project a face before going in the assembly election, in the upcoming assembly election?
Congress will never project any face before the election. It is the collective leadership. Only if there is a chief minister, some faces have been projected. Now the chief ministership is vacant. We all will go on a collective leadership.
थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर टॉकिंग टू अस मिस्टर डीके शिव कुमार। तो डीके शिव कुमार साहब साफ तौर पर कह रहे हैं कि कलेक्टिव लीडरशिप में कांग्रेस पार्टी अगला विधानसभा चुनाव जो है वो लड़ेगी और साथ साथ एक जुडिशियल प्रोब की डिमांड कांग्रेस पार्टी की तरफ से पेगासस मसले पर की जा रही है। कैंपसन बलविंदर के साथ विजयलक्ष्मी, इंडिया टीवी, दिल्ली।